Drawing, especially outside, to me is primarily about connection. I like a lot of different kinds of materials. Like I like doing found object sculpture or paper mache, installation, but drawing's kind of my first love and my bedrock. One thing about drawing outside is there's this more immediate response to seeing something, being inspired, but not having the trip home, the laundry started, the picking up the kids, and then having time to think, what was that feeling again? If I'm there and seeing it, I have to capture it right away. There's a bit of a pressure, but it's a good kind of pressure because if you don't capture it, it's going to be gone, and you get the immediate response of, here's the inspiration, and it just goes right on the page. And you have to get it right away because the weather can change, you can get ants on your leg, a friend comes by and says, how's it going? Any number of things can happen, and so there's this feeling of, okay, get it done. So when I go drawing outside, this sketchbook is very worn, you can see. I like to carry something that's not too big. I also have a rubber band, especially in Sackville, because if you have your page and the wind starts to blow, you get this sort of action, which is no good. And so rubber band keeps the page down. I draw in pen exclusively. My favorite is this Micron 05, 04. I find that's a good combination between not too thin, not too thick. And I always take 2 pens because one of them might run out of ink. And you don't want that to happen in the middle of your drawing. So, and a sweater to sit on. That's very important. Choosing the things that I draw in Sackville is different than other cities I've lived in because it presents itself differently, I guess. So when I was living in Toronto, I would draw on the subway and I would draw other people and I would draw the sort of like chaos and hum of everyday life. Whereas in Sackville, I don't draw people. So I guess when I draw outside in Sackville, I go to the parks and I find little open areas. I find like small out of the way behind a building somewhere, and there's always something going on somewhere, even if it's something discarded. When I teach drawing, I give everybody a sketchbook and say this is going to be your foundation, and I'm going to show you the best part about a sketchbook. And so here I am holding in front of the class. I'm like, are you ready for the best part of the sketchbook? And everyone's watching. I'm like, okay, here it is. That is the best part. If you don't like it, you just turn the page. It's like I was saying, it's low commitment. And so I think if you're just starting drawing or you haven't drawn in a while, look at all the pages. Look at how many pages there are. How many pages are there in this thing? There's 100 pages in there. You start drawing, you give it your all. If it's not good, you think, I'm going to turn the page and I'm going to start over. And so once you give yourself that permission, then you can kind of relax into it, and it just becomes exploring why you wanted to draw, what you want to draw, what pulls inspiration into you, instead of having this pressure of every single drawing has to be good.